Pilot exams aren't just hoops to jump through. They're there to make sure you have the knowledge and skills to fly safely. Think of them as a crucial part of becoming a pilot. These exams test your understanding of everything from aviation regulations to meteorology and aircraft systems. Passing these exams means you've got what it takes to handle an aircraft and make smart decisions in the air. These exams protect you and your passengers. It's a big responsibility, and the exams help ensure you're ready for it. Passing your pilot exams isn't just about getting a license, it's about joining a community of skilled aviators. Studying for pilot exams doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by creating a study schedule. Break down the material into manageable chunks and set realistic goals. Don't try to cram everything in at the last minute. Instead, aim for consistent study sessions over time. Use different study methods to keep things interesting. Read textbooks, watch instructional videos, and use flashcards to reinforce key concepts. Practice questions are your best friend. They help you identify areas where you need more review. Seek help when you need it. Don't be afraid to ask your flight instructor or fellow students for clarification on concepts you find challenging. Pilot exams are typically multiple choice and scenario-based. You'll need to know the regulations, airplane systems, weather, navigation, and more. The Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) provides detailed information about each exam, including the topics covered and the number of questions. Familiarize yourself with the format of the exam. Knowing what to expect can make a big difference on exam day. Understand how the questions are worded and practice different test-taking strategies. Time management is key. Pace yourself during the exam and don't spend too much time on any one question. On exam day, make sure you get a good night's sleep and eat a healthy breakfast. Arrive at the testing center early and take some deep breaths to calm any pre-exam jitters. During the exam, read each question carefully before selecting your answer. If you get stuck on a question, don't panic. Mark it and come back to it later. Remember, you've put in the work and are well prepared. Trust your knowledge and your instincts. Celebrate your achievement. Passing your pilot exams is a significant accomplishment. Take the time to acknowledge your hard work and dedication.